for the steaming fish. For the ingredients, we will need 1 whole fish, and now I am using red tilapia. We will also need 3 staple Asian garnishes: ginger, green onions, and cilantro. Now, for the ginger and green onions, prepare them by cutting half into a larger piece, and the remaining half onto a matchstick slivers. When you're done, you should have a full garnish plate like this. Prepare a plate for steaming. Take a few pieces of larger ginger and green onions and arrange them on a plate before placing the fish on top. Next, add some more larger pieces of ginger and green onion into the inside belly of the fish. Let's pour water into the steaming pan. Place the fish on the pan and then cover the lid and steam for 15 to 18 minutes. While waiting for the fish to cook, let us now prepare the sauce. I am putting 3 tablespoons of canola oil. Now I am putting 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Add ginger, green onions, and cilantro. Stir and infuse the flavors for 1 to 2 minutes on a medium-low heat. Add a teaspoon of cane sugar and stir. Now going back to the fish, remove and transfer to a large serving plate, topping it with the remaining fresh garnish. Then, making sure your sauce is very hot and shimmering, pour the mixture directly over the garnish. Now, we're done! Good morning! Today, I will be cooking side dish vegetables. Here are the ingredients that you will need: 2 carrots, 1 sayote, 1 onion, 1 garlic, 1 can of sweet corn, 1 cup of green peas, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Cut the carrots into cubes and try to cut them in equal sizes so that none of them will be left uncooked. Cut the sayote as the same sizes of the carrots. As we continue in preparing the meal, let's heat the oil in the pan, then add butter and let it melt. Sauté garlic and onion. Add carrots, then cover it. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Open the lid, add the sayote, then mix it with the carrots. Add sweet corn, then continuously mix it. After adding the sweet corn, let us now add the green peas. Season it with salt and pepper to add some taste. Now let's eat!